Krishna said, if I don't do the prescribed duties, this world will be put to ruination. You see the argument? I would be the cause of creating unwanted population by not acting properly, and I would thereby destroy peace and peace of all. So this is again coming back to the same point of Gotra, Varna, Kula, Jati, Parampara, Sampradaya, and now Varna Sankara. All these are always merit based, action based, not by birth based. How to preserve Dharma is also not by just family, but by action, by the proper knowledge and action. The Sampradaya may have family members in some cases, but that is because Manave Praha, Manurikshvakave Bravit, Abravit is spoken. Knowledge has been passed down. Knowledge means both of understanding, philosophical knowledge and practical knowledge of how to apply it in life. This is being passed down, and that is when it is alive.